In this video, you'll learn how to delete your eBay business account. This process involves several important steps to ensure that your account is properly closed without any lingering issues. Start by logging into your eBay business account. Once you are logged in, check your account status thoroughly. It is essential to make sure there are no active listings, pending transactions, or unresolved disputes. eBay requires sellers to finalize all transactions before they can close their accounts. Additionally, withdraw any remaining funds from your payout section. This preparation is crucial to avoid complications during the account closure process. Next, navigate to your account settings. Look for the option related to closing your. eBay provides a specific page dedicated to account deletion requests. When you find this option, select it to proceed. You will be prompted to choose a reason for closing your business account. As you make your selection, the system may display warnings regarding the loss of access to your account history and seller data. It is important to read these messages carefully before continuing. After you've selected your reason for closure, submit the request. eBay will then review your account to ensure that there are no outstanding issues. During this stage, be aware that the review process may take some time. If everything is clear, the system will initiate the deletion process. You may receive an email confirmation regarding your closure request, which serves as a record of your action. Once the deletion process is complete, your business account will be permanently closed. Keep in mind that closing the account will remove your ability to sell on the platform or access any seller tools. It is advisable to retain copies of any important records you may need for future reference before finalizing this step. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.